Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So I realized that it's been over a year of me working from home, basically living in my pajamas and my loungewear or whatever. So I felt like it was time to give myself another glow up. I gave myself one about a year ago, so now it's time to do it again. One more time. So that's why I decided to do this smoky green eye look. I was a bit inspired by Adriana Lima's look. Right, I'll pop it up right here. And let me just emphasize.
Inspired.
And also, my look is Adriana Lima. It probably doesn't look the same. I obviously adapted it to fit my monolid eye shape. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys how I created this look. And I also did outfit change so I could have the whole glow up experience. And to be honest, now I kind of feel like...
Please leave a man at home. The club is full of ballers and the pockets full grown. And all you fellas leave your girl with her friends, cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. So you say you got a girl, yeah, it's true you got a man, but the party ain't gonna stop, so let's make it hot. Last weekend you stayed at home alone and lonely. Couldn't find your man, he was chillin' with his homies. This weekend you going out. If he try to stop you, you going off. You got your head done, your nails done too, and your outfit and your Fendi shoes. You laying at the hot spot tonight. You're gonna find the brothers rolling the Lexus trucks and Hummers. So you say you got a girl, yeah, sure you got a man, but the party ain't gonna stop, so let's make it hot.
Oh yeah, Queen Bee can do no wrong. I mean, right, you should probably get back to your makeup tutorial. But if you plan on doing more of these music videos, can I pick the song next time? Sorry guys, I got a little bit distracted there. But what a great throwback song, right? I feel like the makeup and the whole outfit kind of got me into that mood. But yeah, so stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this look. And let's get into the tutorial. First step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. And I also went ahead and did my brows using the Benefit Gimme Brow Gel. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some tape at an angle to both sides of the eyes. And then today I'm going to use my Too Faced White Chocolate Bar Palette. So I'm going to go ahead and first apply the foundational base shade Cake Batter all over the eyes. Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow in this like really glittery, beautiful green shade, and I'm going to apply it to the around the inner thirds or to the halfway point of the eyes, and then for the rest of it I'm going to shade with a darker shade to just smoke it out. I'm going to go ahead and take my chocolate bar palette and I'm going to go in with black sugar for the other half of the eye. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight my inner corners. So I'm going to use Indulge in Exotica. I'm just going to highlight my brow bone as well. I'm going to go ahead and take off the face now. So I'm going to go in actually with mint chocolate and just add some color to my lower lash line. And then I'm also going to go ahead and take my MAC eye pencil and Petty, and I'm just going to further define the lower lash line. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with my Stila liquid liner. So I'm just going to draw a kid look. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop on some falsies. So again, I'm going to be using my Ardell Natural Lashes. Okay, so now that my falsies have been applied, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my lower lashes. I'm going to be using my Lancome Hypno Stoma. And then now I'm pretty much nearly done with the look. I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush with the Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Blush Blush. And then I'm going to apply my highlighter. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. And I actually did this in my very first glow up video, but I went in with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bar Palette. I went in with Drippin' Diamonds. And I know it's an eyeshadow, but I placed some of it over the highlighter because this is actually really pigmented and really shimmery, and it just like adds that extra pop. For the lips, I'm going to go ahead and stick with a safe choice, which is the Lancome Les Absolu Rouge in Rose Amnesia. And yeah, there you have it. This is the finished look. And of course, no glow up would be complete without an outfit change, so be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. This is the finished look, outfit change, hair fix to fit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I think it's a great smoky eye glam glow up. I think the Stila Shimmer Glow did most of the heavy lifting here and added a nice dimension to this look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.